We're in the van again. Can I tell you one thing? Another van food review. Anyway, yeah, vanilla Coke this time. Hopefully not. Unlike the Travis Scott meal, this is another musical themed one. BTS this time. I've never heard any of their songs. I just had a quick look on Spotify. Their top song, Dynamite, has like, I think 900 million plays. Don't think I've ever heard it. Fries, unlike the Travis Scott this time, these aren't completely burnt to shit. That's an improvement. The vanilla Coke looks like it contains vanilla Coke, but the real shtick here. Oh, I bought a hash brown. That does not come with the meal. I just wanted one. Anyway, it's basically, if I can get to them, a lot harder. 10-piece McNugget with BTS written on the box in Korean writing. They just look like McNuggets. Honestly, I don't think there's any difference there. I'm kind of disappointed we didn't get the Travis Scott meal now. And these custom sauces, again with Korean written on, Cajun and sweet chili. I think the real stick here for me is there was that Mulan Szechuan sauce that was made popular by Rick and Morty. So maybe these special sauces are like going to be legendary too one day, quoted in some obscure cartoon 20 years from now. I don't know. But this has happened, and unlike the Travis Scott meal, it actually does have custom features of sauces and stuff. But let's see how she handled. Alright, let's go for the Cajun. Should I be listening to BTS while eating the BTS meal for maximum enjoyment? I don't know. I don't know if I like K-pop. Alright. Smells mustardy, and like the sweet and sour sauce. It tastes like mustard. Okay. Let's go for the other sauce, the sweet chili. This is a pretty standard affair, honestly. Smells like sweet chili. Right. Again with the nugget. A little bit of spice to it. Overall, a very Aussie sweet chili sauce. Let's go for a palate cleanse. I don't know if this costs more than a standard McNugget meal. 10-piece, but I mean, I think you get like 24 pieces. Oh no! Didn't lose any of my precious Cajun sauce. Whoops. Let's go for the double dip. Cajun and sweet chili. That's the way to go. So you got to go 1-2. This is one of those dipping sauces that is a 2-step process. You must go for the Cajun, go for the sweet chili. That's the winner. On their own, you've basically got a modified mustard and sweet chili together. Brings it up, puts more layers, adds a bit of spice. He's nice. Still have no idea what the music's like though. Is it worth $14?